How can I change my voice on Discord using an iOS device?
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a fun and entertaining feature that you can use on Discord, changing your voice. Whether you're looking to add a bit of character to your gaming sessions or just want to have a laugh with your friends, this tutorial will guide you through the process on your iOS device.
What will you need?
Firstly, let's clarify what you need to get started. Unfortunately, Discord doesn't have a built-in voice changer feature. But don't worry. You can use a third-party voice changer app that works with Discord on your iPhone or iPad. Keep in mind, however, that any third-party app should be used with caution. Make sure it comes from a reliable source, respects your privacy, and doesn't contain malware.
Downloading a voice changer app.
First, you'll need to download a voice changer app from the App Store. There are several options available, such as Voice Changer Plus, VoiceMod, or Celebrity Voice Changer. 1. Open the App Store on your iOS device. 2. In the search bar, type in the name of the voice changer app you have chosen. 3. Once you've found the app, tap on Get to download it. Remember, some apps may require in-app purchases for certain voices or features.
Setting up the voice changer app with Discord.
Now that you have your voice changer app installed, you need to set it up to work with Discord. 1. Open the voice changer app and choose the voice you want. 2. Now, navigate to the Discord app. 3. Join a voice channel. 4. Discord should automatically detect and use the audio from your voice changer app.
Testing your new voice.
Always remember to test your new voice before jumping into a conversation or a game session. 1. Still in the voice channel, select the three dots icon for more options. 2. Choose Voice Connected, then check mic and video. 3. In the mic test, speak into your device. You should hear your voice replayed in the new voice you've selected. There you have it. You now know how to change your voice on Discord using an iOS device. Remember to always respect other users' experiences and use this feature responsibly. We hope you have a great time exploring different voices. Enjoy your Discord conversations like never before.